Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for a date night. So I'm going to be doing a look that I wouldn't normally do. So since it's summer, I have been using light, bright pastel colors, you know, the blues, pinks, even the, orange, but this is supposed to be a sultry look for date night, so I'm going for more of a light brown, sultry, smoky eye. So on my lids, I am starting with a dark brown, and I'm using circular motions with my fluffy brush, so it won't be super harsh. I want to look like a raccoon, so I'm going to smooth it out or buff it out, however you want to call it. I'm going to do that as much as I can so it will look more on the sultry side instead of raccoonish. Alright, now I'm going in with my transition color, which is more of a lighter tannish brown. And I'm going to layer that over the dark brown until it's to my liking. And I'm going to go ahead and soften that up as well. I don't want that to be too harsh. I need both colors to gradually blend together. So I'm just gonna blend it out and keep adding more of each color until I get it to how I want it to look. Now that I'm all blended out, I'm going to go in on my tear ducts with a pretty gold color. I wanted to add, a little pop of color since my lids are darker than I normally would like. So I'm just adding a nice gold color in my tear duct area. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner pen from Nyx. And I'm going to do a wing liner. I really love this eyeliner. I normally get the, let me see, how do you describe it? I normally get the eyeliner that has a top that you have to twist off. This is my first time using a eyeliner that is like a marker. And let me tell y'all, it is so convenient. All you gotta do is pop that cap off and get to work. I really love this product. It's Nyx Epic Ink Liner. I will have that in the description box for you guys, but this stuff is great. I love it. Now it's time for lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on with my fingers, which is what I normally do. Sometimes I'll use the lash tweezers, sometimes I won't, but I decided to use my fingers, and the glue that I use is from Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I will have that in the description box for you guys as well. All products will be listed down below. And the lashes I got from Amazon. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my eyes. at this point, I'm just blending out my transition color a tad bit more so I can get more of the soft look that I'm going for. And yeah, that's it for my eyes. So now I'm moving on to my eyeliner, which I hate. I cannot stand the face that I make when I do my eyeliner. So moving on. Now I am adding primer. It is NYX HD Photogenic. I'm gonna rub that in until it's nice and dry, and then I will move on to my foundation. And I use my foundation, or I use the foundation from Juvia's Place, I Am Magic, and it is in 440, I believe that's the number, but the name of the foundation is Savannah. So I just tap, tap, tap all over my face, and then I get a sponge and spray it about 3 times, and I tap that lightly all over my face until the foundation is even and smooth. After foundation, I go straight into the concealer, and I also spray my sponge again 3 times, and I tap in the concealer starting above my cheeks, and then I work my way up to underneath my eyes. I just feel like it gives a more gradually soft feel, and it's just a nice blend because I use 2 different shades. After I use the sponge, I like to go in with a fluffy brush to make sure that I got everything in the cracks and creases, and I also don't want any harsh lines. So next I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush, and I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. I like to set my concealer right away because I don't want it to crease. Once it creases, it can be hard to fix, and then it will just ruin the look, and then you'll end up wiping your whole face off. So I like to immediately set everywhere I have used concealer. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to contour a little bit. It's going to look crazy because it's not perfectly blended at the moment, but I do like to go ahead and start the process, and then I will come back to it later after I bake and set and fix the harsh lines. Now it is time to set what I have done so far. I'm going to place the setting powder everywhere that I have used concealer. And I'm not going to let it sit for long. I'm going to let it sit for a couple of seconds to a minute. That's the longest I will let it sit. And then I will wipe off the excess powder with a fluffy brush. So after I am done wiping away the excess powder, I am going to use some blush to help blend out those harsh contour lines, and I am pretty much done after this. And voila, that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will link everything that I have used today in the description box. And this is my full outfit. I love a long dress with a slit. I think it's very, very sultry. And this is how it looks from the back. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it. And I will see you guys in the next video.